Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken pakora. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. And if it's your first time here, why not hit the subscribe button and the notification bell? It doesn't hurt. Well, it won't hurt as much as stubbing your toe on the way to the loo in the middle of the night does, because that does hurt. Anyway, on with the chicken pakora. Okay, first we cut the thighs into bite-sized pieces and place in a suitably sized bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You can put more chili powder if you like. Next you put the juice of half a lemon in. Don't worry about the pips, they'll disappear with a bit of magic editing. See, all gone. Next you add the ginger garlic paste and then the salt. Then it's time to add the gram flour and corn flour. And lastly add a tablespoon of oil and a splash of water, then thoroughly mix together. And you should have something that looks like this. Then it's cover and off to a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. And when you're ready to cook, heat some oil in a frying pan up to a medium-high heat. Add the chicken piece at a time, being careful not to overcrowd the pan, and fry off in batches. I've been thinking, what really hurts is looking through a family album of photographs of your daughter. She looks at you with her little baby eyes and says, "You haven't always been fat then, Dad." That hurt. And there you have it, tasty chicken pakora. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next one. Bye for now.